Chief Justice is greeting his visitors, the whole of Usher Beautiful, who are the judges of that area.
Omukoro ogu gwakorwa nyuma y'omushomo gubyenugwe gwegyesa abaramuzi amateeka gatari gamwe na gamwe kwendera izooba aha Las Vegas kugumizamu bakatema efuka y'okubanza ahi barayombeka ekizimbe eki omuri Mbarara City North aha Division.
I can do it now? Yes. 1, 2, wow.
Koota erikujururamu neekora aha mishanga erikuruga omu koota enkuru kandi okwombeka ekyombeko eki kigyendereire kureeta oburinganiza omu bantu na munonga okwiza haihi obuheereza omu bantu.
The Chief Justice is unveiling the flag.
Ishabaramuzi Owiny Doro kandi owabaari omugyenyi mukuru yasiima abantu nikwe kubashaba kukwatanisa aha mirimo ekirareetere obusinguzi.
They deceive you that you can succeed alone. There's nothing more beautiful than working as a team. There's nothing more important than finding your 5 of you. Not that you do not disagree, but even your disagreement is a source of strength.
Owiny Doro yashobora nk'uko abaramuzi barikwetaaga obuyambi okuruga omu gavumenti na munonga esente z'okwombeka courts hamwe n'okuteeka abaramuzi omu bizimbe ebi.
And they knew what needed to be done was to strengthen the judiciary in terms of its funding, its budget, its capacity to afford our people, our justice seekers, access to justice. And that's how we presented the case to the need to enhance the budget of the judiciary.
Omwezi w'ishabaramuzi wa Uganda Flavian Saija yashaba abembezi baha mwanya okureebuka ngu baatamu amaani okureebuuza okwombeka ekizimbe eki abo kugira ngu ekyombeko eki n'eky'abantu.
The local leaders taking interest in the construction of the building. The building we are going to put up is for the benefit of the community. Please find time to conduct periodic inspections, track progress, and to ensure that the building meets expected standards. The contractor, I call upon you to ensure that the building is delivered within the agreed time frame while meeting the agreed standards.
Omunyeshenjero wa Mbarara City North Honorable Robert Rukari yashobora nko kukoteji eraize hiyo obuheereza na munonga omu ruburenje bw'izooba aha mukoro nigwo gumwe yashobora nko kwombeka ekyombeko eki nikiza kureeta entunguuka otiireho obumwe.
Nk'abanyambarara n'abantu ba Western Uganda twena kubaza hamwe twatuvugisha kugira ngo obuheereza obwa kodi niyo rurengo rwa kabira y'ibintu bagenda aha muri Mbarara City ntabwo kuba abantu bitu bazaganirwa kuko Chief Justice Kigamoyi Owiny Doro yatugambira.
Justice Alan Nshimye Paul mukuru wa kote enkuru muri Mbarara yasiima Owiny Doro abo kwimusiraka bakongera sente omu baramuzi ekireesire bayongera abaramuzi omu kooti.
About to say here, I learned that when you became the Chief Justice, you aggressively lobbied for an increase of the funding. That increase of the funding to the judiciary has led to recruitment of very many magistrates and other judicial officers, but also we're here partly because of that increase. So I thought it is important that I say it. You're not only here as a guest of honor, but somebody who has fought for these resources that are going to help Mbarara, that are going to help the judicial officers, and going to bring justice closer to the people.
Omukoro gwahikaho abantu batari bamwe na bamwe barimu abaramuzi bakuru b'amadiini ab'ebyokwerinda abebembezi n'abandi bantu bingi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have it on 1, then we have it on 2, and then we have it on 3. Court of Appeal. Congratulations, Western Region. Here we are.
Makuru agagasha kwa Susan Arino Mukisa wa Tayari West omuri Mbarara.